this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some pumpkin stew. So it's a dish that we make in Liberia and I love it. And today I'm going to be making it with some yam, some Ghana yam. So let me show you what I'm going to be using today in my pumpkin stew. So here I have some fresh tomatoes. Here I cut the pumpkin up. I have some onion that I cut up and I have habanero pepper. Back there I have some ham hock I'm going to be boiling. Here I have some shrimp. I have fish. I have dry crayfish. And I have chicken. So I was going to cook yesterday, so I seasoned my fish and my chicken, but I didn't have time to do it. And let me show you what I used to season it. I used salt. I used granulated onion. I used the buttery garlic and herb. And I used chicken Knorr seasoning. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my stove and I'm going to boil my ham hock. But as I'm cooking my food, I'm going to put some Jumbo Vita cube in there. And I'm also going to put some better than bouillon. So let me put some water in my pot, take it to my stove, and start to boil my ham hocks. So I cut up my tomatoes. I'm gonna put it in here with a little bit of water and some of the onions that I cut up. So I can blend it. Let me put some water and blend it. So I'm going to put the blended tomato and onion. Some salt. Some of my bouillon. Some of the onion. Some chicken Knorr seasoning. And you can season to your taste. I'm going to cover it and let it cook. So I bought my shrimp. It's already been deveined and cleaned. But this, I don't like to see it. So I'm going to take this off. The middle. I think it just looks clean when it's off. So let me take all of them off and I'll be back. So the first thing I'm going to do is fry my chicken. so I'm going to put both my cubes in there and some of the crayfish. Cover it and let it continue to cook. So I move my pots around because I need to take that other one and start to fry the pumpkin. So I put some oil in here, and I'm going to put my pumpkin and my onion and pepper. Chicken out. Frying the fish. Cut my lamb. Okay, so the ends were messed up. I'm just going to trash it. All my yam, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. Cover it and take it to the stove. So it's time to turn the fish. ham hock and I'm going to pour it in there. Okay, I'm going to cover it and let it cook. See, it's just popping its fish. I drained all the water off. I don't know why it's flashing all over the place. Let me come and wipe down my stove with all this oil and I'll be back. There was so much oil that had popped on the stove. I had to cut it off and clean it. I'm just gonna do my thing. Fish, the chicken, and the shrimp all fried. I'm about to cut up the ham hock and then I'll put it in there with all these things that I fried, and my food will be ready for me to plate and eat my lunch. I'm not using all of it, I told you. I'm just going to use one. So now let's go to my pot and let me start putting everything in there. And the chicken and the fish. Minutes, I'll cut it off. During the meantime, let me take my Ghana yam out of the pot so I can plate my food. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye bye.